What the heck is the difference between Google Ads and SEO, and which one should you use for your business? So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the difference between the speed of results of SEO versus Google Ads, the position of SEO versus Google Ads, the costs associated with each one, what type of customer each one attracts, the ROI of SEO versus Google Ads, and most importantly, which one should you be using for your business? What's up, Tariq here with EventHawk, bringing you the best tips and tools to level up your business online. And today we're talking about Google Ads versus SEO. Now, in the last 12 months, EventHawk has generated over $5 million for clients just with Google Ads alone, and we've done tons of SEO work. So we're all up in this stuff, and the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is the speed of results. Which one is going to get you faster results, Google Ads or SEO? Now, SEO takes a long time for you to see results, and Google Ads is going to get you there if you know what you're doing as soon as tomorrow. So if you're looking for speed, if you want customers fast, if you're launching a new website or you have a new product, or you just want bookings or sales and you want to market your stuff and you need money fast, then Google Ads is where you want to start. SEO is going to be more for long term. SEO takes a long time for things to kick in. Now, as far as position, when you type something into Google, like bounce house rentals near me, you see a list of search results, and Google Ads is always going to be at the top of the search results. SEO is going to be more at the bottom. So if you're wanting to appeal to customers as soon as they go ahead and land on Google, then you're going to want to run Google Ads. SEO shows up lower on the listings, and especially on mobile, most customers never even scroll all the way down there because you only see the Google Ads, and Google right now is listing up to 4 different ads at the top of the page. So some customers never see any SEO listing. Now, cost is the big one. Cost is the reason people don't want to run Google Ads. Obviously, Google Ads is paid. It's pay per click, PPC. So you have to pay for each and every click from Google Ads, while SEO is 100% free. That being said, SEO, because it's so complicated and you need so much knowledge and so much, it's time consuming, your time is not free. So you may end up spending hours and hours and hours and days and days and days trying to work on your SEO and never really doing it right, and that's worth money. So for me, Google Ads is worth the cost. Now, 2 things I want you to keep in mind. 1, the awesome thing about Google, even though it's paid, you only pay when someone clicks. So if you set up your Google Ads and nobody clicks, you don't pay anything. The other thing to keep in mind is that SEO is free for you. That means it's free for everyone else, all of your competitors. You're going to be competing with SEO with all 50, 100 people in your area that are doing the same thing that you do. Whereas when you run Google Ads, you become one of the elite. You're only competing with the top 5 or 6 who are running Google Ads. All right, so next I want to talk about the big one. What type of customers typically click on Google Ads versus SEO? Because a lot of people will never run ads because well, I don't click Google Ads. Why would I run ads? Nobody clicks ads. People click ads, trust me.
He's absolutely right.
They've done studies on this. There's really different types of customers that click ads versus SEO. So I'm going to talk about that in addition to a couple other things. But first, do you know where your company is on Google? Tell me in the comments where you're listed. Are you in the number 1 spot, the number 2 spot, the number 3 spot? And if you have any marketing, sales, business questions, anything like that, put them in the comments and I just might answer them in the next video. Most importantly, if you've gotten any kind of value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you guys can get all the updates. All right, so they did a study to see, hey, who the heck is clicking ads versus SEO? Who takes the time to scroll all the way down to the SEO listings, Google Maps, and search listings versus clicking the first ads? Because people are definitely clicking ads. We get up to 20 to 30% of people who see our ads click them. That's a lot. And they found that it's all about the customer journey. Customers who are just starting to search. So let's say I want to rent a bounce house for my kid's party, and I'm not sure, am I going to rent a bounce house? Am I going to take them to Chuck E. Cheese? I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just researching into the idea. I'm not going to click ads. Those types of customers who are early on in the buyer's journey are going to scroll past the ads. They don't want to bother with the ads. They don't want to be sold. They're going to scroll past your ads and they're going to go down to the SEO listings. They want to research. These are people who are at the top of the funnel, meaning they're just getting introduced to your brand. They're just getting introduced to the idea. These people are not likely to make a decision or spend money anytime soon. There is value in those people, right? But you need to understand that those people are probably going to make a decision, let's say in 2 weeks is when they might spend money. Google Ads, they found that Customers who click on Google Ads or people who click on Google Ads are more likely to spend money. These are the people who have done their research. They've decided that they are going to rent a bounce house. They are going to do business. The question is not, should I rent a bounce house? The question is, who should I rent a bounce house from? Which company should I give my money to? And those people, if you've got your ad set up correctly, those are the people that are going to click your ads. So all this to say, the highest quality customer, the customer that's ready to spend money like today or tomorrow, that's got a credit card in their hand, those are the customers that click Google Ads. We run Google Ads all the time. Anytime our doors are open, we're running Google Ads, but we're going to have a guaranteed position at the top of Google. All right, now the big one, ROI. How much money can you make from Google Ads versus SEO? They each have kind of a different currency, I like to say. Google Ads is going to help you generate money. Like you can see down to the penny. If you have a marketer who knows what they're doing, or you set up your tracking correctly, you should be able to see, I spent $100 on Google Ads and I've made, $1,000. We've gotten people make up to, 20 times, 30 times what they spent on Google Ads. Again, just because we have the tracking set up and we can optimize based on the ads. SEO has a different kind of ROI. SEO is going to get your brand kind of known in the long run. Keep in mind that once you stop paying Google, your ads go down. So your Google ads are only up as long as you keep paying. But for SEO, once you get your listing up there on the first page of Google, it's going to be up there for a very, very long time, or until one of your competitors decides to do more SEO work than you. So the ROI for Google Ads is actual cash money, actual bookings. The ROI for SEO, yes, you can get bookings from SEO. It's going to take a longer time for those customers typically to do business with you, but the biggest ROI, your long-term brand, is going to be at the top of Google Maps, at the top of the Google search listings. Okay, so priority, which one should you do? Should you focus on SEO or Google Ads? Should you invest in pay-per-click or should you hire somebody to do your SEO? It really comes down to what season you're in your business. Are you in the season of making money? Is this your peak season? Or are you looking to strengthen the long-term brand of your business? Now, ultimately, eventually, you want to be at the top of both. And if you do it right, you could be at the top of Google Ads, at the top of Google Maps, and at the top of Google Search. So you'll be in the SEO listings at the top and Google Ads. So essentially, when somebody searches for your business or your services, you'll show up 3 times all at the same time. That's the end goal. But if you're on a tight budget and you have to pick one, you have to prioritize, I would say Google Ads is definitely the one that you want to run first, because that's where the customers are with the money. Grow your bank account, and once you have the money to invest in marketing, once you have some leftover money, that's when you want to invest in SEO. I'm a big fan of putting more into SEO in the off season when things are slower, because again, it takes a few months for you to see those results, but we never turn off our Google Ads. Our Google Ads are always on as long as our doors are open, just because we want to show up in front of customers. Now, if you want to learn how to run your own Google Ads 100% free, you're really going to want to check out this video. This is my Google Ads Crash Course. It takes you step by step on how to set up your Google Ads and get a low cost per click and high results. It's really, really good. I've had tons of people who've used it. People I've never heard of come to me, Tariq, you've changed my business from this video. So you're definitely gonna want to check that out. But if you're more interested in growing your SEO rankings and going up in the rankings on Google, then you want to check out my SEO Crash Course, where I show you a lot of things that you can do on your own today to enhance your SEO. I'll put links to both videos in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.